EMS ako. LK ako.
EMS ako. LK ako.
EMS ako. Forever. LK.
EMS ako. Laging LK.
Proud PM.
EMS pa. Isa ako dun. LK.
EMS ako. LK ako. Number 1.
EMS ako. LK.
Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Ang EMS, pagdating ng panahon, 14 years, ika nga, is somehow a very big event for us. And as an advisor, EMS, we've been through 14 years of struggle, hardship, and determination. Also, I would like to congratulate the officers and the members and the aspirants who are still drilling with us to become part of the EMS family. And also to the alumni, thank you very much for attending this very, very big event of us. And we'll see on our 15th year next year that we are here promoting to conserve and help sustain the development of our, what do you call this, environment. And of course, congratulations to the President of Alumni, for having been a part of this very spectacular and fabulous event to come. And I hope that this is not only the beginning, this will not be the end, but this is the continuing effort of the EMS to be a part in conserving our natural resources. And also, let us be a part of this wondrous and wonderful event, that we be happy, we be excited, and we all live together as one family EMS. Good luck to you, and mabuhay. Maraming salamat.
Engineering Mountain Society, College of Engineering, congratulations. Pwede pa natin nasa 14th year na, no? We're now in the 13th year of discovering and exploring our future. So, ang namimiss ko lang sa mga mountaineers during their time, sila yung grupo na siguro naman hindi requirement si pagiging guwapo, ano. Pero most of them are heartthrob or gigolo ng College of Engineering. Namimiss ko yung pag-costume nila na kakaiba from other. Ang isa pang gusto ko sana ibigay na message sa mga bagong grupo, sana maipasa ninyo sa iba pang kabataan yung pag-care at pag-love ninyo sa nature. At ang isang pinagmamalaki ko sa inyong grupo, no? Yung nabuo na kapatiran or brotherhood na hindi mo makikita dun sa iba. How you care with each other, masyadong nakapagpati mo yun, nakatiin yun sa aking gusto. And I love the kind of brotherhood. Okay? So, sana lang may pasa niyo kasi.